Today in this video we will see the usage of so that and in order that. So, we will have some practice. I will give some examples and tell you that how it should be used, and based on that we can make our own sentences and improve our skill in communication, the quality of our speech. See, these structures are used to talk about purpose. So that as well as in order that both talk about the purpose, but so that is more common. We normally use so that. I went there so that I can meet him. I didn't eat in the morning so that I can fast, something like that. But in order that, especially so that is more common than in order that, especially in informal style. So that is normally used in informal style, in spoken English, etc. They are often followed by auxiliary verbs. After using so that, we normally follow auxiliary verbs like can or will, could or would, and may or might we use in formal style. In formal style we use may or might, otherwise we use can, could or will or would after so that. You see here example, I hurried so that I would not be late. You see will, I would not be late. I hurried so that I would not be late. What is the purpose of his hurrying? Because he does not want to be late. Leave early so that you will not miss the bus. What is the purpose of leaving early? So that he will not miss the bus. She is learning English so that she can study in Canada. She is learning English. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of learning English? So that she can study in Canada. We went to Chennai, purpose, so that we can get better treatment. We went to Chennai so that we can get better treatment. So, you see, observe here, we are using would, will not, and can, as I have already told you. I gave her my address so that she can contact me. I gave her my address so that she can contact me. He wore a false beard so that nobody would recognize him. He wore a false beard so that nobody would recognize him. Why did he wear a false beard? Purpose? So that nobody would be recognizing him. Now, let us come to in order that usage. See here, we send monthly reports in order that they may have full information. It is in formal speech we are using. In formal context we are using it. We send monthly reports in order that they may have full information. We must write to him in order that he will know the truth. We must write to him in order that he will know the truth. They met on a Sunday in order that everybody should be free to attend. They met on a Sunday in order that everybody should be free to attend. Why did they meet on Sunday? What is the purpose? In order that everybody should be free to attend. I did that. Purpose? In order that everyone should be satisfied. I did that in order that everybody should be satisfied. He brought some papers for me in order that I should sign. What is the purpose of bringing some papers? In order that I should sign. So that, in order that, and so that both refer to purpose, and in normal, formal, informal communication we use so that. When it comes to formal communication, we can use so that as well as in order that. Now, I will give you some more examples. See, listen to these examples and repeat. I stepped aside so that she could go in. I stepped aside so that she could go in. Let the dog loose. Let the dog loose so that it can have a run. What is the purpose of letting the dog loose? So that it can have a run. We shall grow a hedge round the garden so that neighbors can't overlook us. We shall grow a hedge around the garden. Purpose? So that the neighbors can't overlook us. Tie him up so that he cannot escape. tie him up so that he can't escape. 30 copies of the books were brought so that each student in the class should have one. 30 copies of the books were brought. What is the purpose of bringing 30 copies of the books? So that every student in the class will have a copy. We hid it carefully so that no one should see it. We hid it carefully so that no one should see it or could see it. They fought and died so that we might live safely. They fought and died so that we might live safely. She is staying here for 6 months so that she can perfect her English. She is staying here for 6 months so that she can perfect her English. I am putting it on the oven now so that it will be ready by 7 o'clock. I am putting it on the oven now so that it will be ready by 7 o'clock. I have come early so that I can meet you. I have come early so that I can talk to you. I have come early so that I can catch up with you. I am going to make an early start so that I don't get stuck in the traffic. I am going to make an early start so that I won't get stuck in the traffic. Mary talked to the shy girl so that she would not feel left out. I took my cricket bat so that I could play in the weekend. Why did I take? Purpose of taking cricket bat so that I can play in the weekend. He built a chain of castles so that he might control the whole country. He built a chain of castles so that he could control the entire country. So that and in order that usage also we have to master so that wherever it is appropriate for us to use so that and in order that we can use it correctly. And these type of usages, in spite of, despite, so that, to and to, all these things will make our language more appealing and the fluency will be visible and accuracy and appropriacy can be also followed. So that please practice these things and we will see some other concept in the next video. Thank you.